Okay, this is N2LEM with another quick video clip. Continuing the dismantling of the OM Power OM2000 Plus linear amplifier. We're taking apart the front panel to access the logic board. Basically what we did was, before we removed, there were 3 knobs. Each knob has, I think this is Allen key or hex key, 2 set screws that go onto the stem of the tank, the tuning tank coils. What I did was I made sure that the blades were both closed. I took pictures to know where the knobs were at the 100 watt, the 100 position, and the load at the 0 position. When taking off the band selector knob, I wanted to have the holes from the bottom so I could just reach on with the hex key. Same thing after I took pictures of where the knobs were set. And you could also see that there are also magic marker, someone made lines so we know where to properly set them or put the knobs on. When I took off the band select knob, I had it at 40 meters, 7 megahertz position. There are a total of 8 front panel pan type screws. They're countersunk. After you remove the knobs, we have these plastic phenolic spacers, and these countersink. I'll show you exactly how they look. There you go. They fit into the board, and I guess that's just to continue to stabilize the controls, the actual shafts. Now this front panel will lift off and fold down gently, and you could then see, you want to be careful because the power switch is still hooked up, and there we go. You can clearly see the meter board. I guess this is the logic unit with the display unit attached to the front of it. You can get in here, you can clean all the push buttons. There are many cables, but each one shows you, exactly where it attaches to. K11, K8 relay, K6 LED, high voltage supply, K7 power, K2 switch on, K10, K1 input. Pretty interesting. We'll take pictures, and we will follow up after we unplug the boards. But beautiful build quality, I can tell you right now. On the power switch, you can clearly see that there's a red showing the hot, neutral, so you got red coming here. On the blue cable, the red comes to here. So you got the 2 tops and the 2 bottoms, black and blue pair. Black with red, blue with red band is here, top. Black with red band is the top, and that's basically it. That switch is just a compression type switch, and it'll probably fall right out the front. They probably snap in through the front and snap it in the back. You could see all of the dust just from regular use, and of course we'll clean them. But we don't know which board. We do know that this board reads a 1.4. I don't know if that's the revision of the board, but there is definitely a 1.4 listed in magic marker. It looks like the display board, trying to see how this is actually attached, but it appears as though, interesting, the display board might be soldered to the lower board. Not sure. We'll check it out and we will see. Okay, this is N2LEM saying best 7.3s with the continue dismantling of the OM Power OM2000 Plus. Best 7.3.